Hello and welcome to another update on SUI. Yeah, just a quick update. Don't think there is too much to talk about on the larger time frame, so we will focus on the smaller time frame. There are a few developments here that we want to discuss. Chart starts to look similar to some other charts that are starting to move up, but overall, still in my opinion, overall pretty weak especially from the swing low that formed here on Friday, not the 10th where we had the crash, but the 17th. Yeah, there's quite a bit of there's quite a bit of a reaction here, yes, but it's overall not very strong, not impulsive at all, and it's important to recognize that all of this is really just range-bound movement. So there is no strong upside momentum yet, and no aggressive uptrend or anything that we can identify here at the moment on the SUI chart. The local uptrend has a chance to develop as long as we're holding the $2.22 level. That's an important support level I mentioned in previous updates. Why is it important? It is important because the $2.22 level is the 78.6 retracement of the rally that happened after that flash crash. But the data is a bit messed up, so it's a bit unclear. Yeah, we can't really fully trust it. I mentioned that many times before. The issue that we have is actually that after that bounce, yes, we had a corrective pullback into Fibonacci support, but as I said, the pullback ended as a three-wave move. Okay, all good, but can I really trust this Fibonacci support zone? Because on different exchanges we have different swing lows, so I do not really trust that Fibonacci support zone. In addition to that, there isn't really a strong impulsive upside momentum that's developing from that low on the 17th of October. So I think we have to be cautious still. There is a Fibonacci support zone here, micro support. You could say within the larger support zone. I added this because, it might look like a 5-wave move up. It might look like. One, I added that in the last video. Then we had a pullback, a weak one, and another bounce, and another pullback, which is a 3-wave move so far. Could be that this wave 2 is still unfolding, So therefore, we leave that support area where it is, and I can follow the thesis that we form the low on Friday the 17th at around 227, as long as we're holding above the 235 level, which is the 78.6 retracement. So just waiting here for some further upside momentum to build. Once that happens, the market will likely start to move towards the previous swing high around $3.01. Then this swing high where the selling pressure started to kick in around 332, but the more important one is this swing high above at 350. Those are the key levels. If we lose it, if we lose 222, the focus will shift to the lower support here at $1.71. That's also the April low and the invalidation point for the white scenario. Ultimately, it's important that upside momentum now builds from here. Further upside momentum needs to build from here. So far, it's not very clear to me if we really bottomed. So we have to be a bit more, we have to have some more patience, okay? But ultimately, the upside momentum is, it's not very impressive yet, but the bulls have a chance. So once upside momentum builds, it should build fast, because then this could be a third wave. A third wave is normally the most aggressive trend in a cycle, but because we can't see that yet, I'm very skeptical that wave 2 has actually bottomed. But the levels should be clear, so you have some levels to watch. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to follow us on X as well for additional charts. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.